Hey guys, I'm just making a quick video on all my animals. This right here, this is my short-haired teddy bear hamster. This is his setup for the time being. So there's a female in his enclosure right now. He's just on some pine bedding, water bowl, food, something simple. This right here is my female ball python setup. Some reptile wood chips, 150 watt heat lamp. Don't usually keep it on there. It's just temporary sometimes. Has a 20 gallon tank heating pad under. I don't think she's a normal. I think she's just like a black pastel or a really light normal. Very pretty. Eats very good. Probably about a medium rat once a week. Then right here have my give me 1 second. Right here have my little Pac-Man frog, SpongeBob. Probably see him a little bit better. Just in this, has Eco Earth in there, little plant. Always keep it moist in there. He's in this critter keeper temporarily, but when he gets a little bigger, he'll be in a 10-gallon tank. Right there, that's him. Sorry for the bad camera action. And right here, here's my 4-foot normal female ball python. Let me get this light. 20-gallon tank, reptile wood chips, big water bowl. She likes to soak. There she is, just normal, nothing too special. Good snake, probably breeder another year. Right there, have a male axolotl. He's always in the dark, just a few rocks, reptile carpet, filter. Right here, just have this this female, long hair teddy bear hamster. She's pregnant right now, that's why I don't have a wheel. Just give her these right here and this. That's her food. Well, most of it. I mix up her food sometimes. 10-gallon tank. By the way, she's in 20-gallon. Right here, have this male albino dwarf hamster, red eyes. Really cool, but really mean. See what? See that mouth sound he makes? Kind of crazy. Weird hamster, but still love him. Probably breed him with another white female. Right here have I need to get some more fake plants and stuff, but here my Jackson chameleon, very cool little lizard. Do have more sticks, but just took them out for the video. Alright, then 40-gallon breeder. Have the Savannah monitor Savvy, just getting him or her back to health. Got him from a man, didn't know how to take care of her properly. Then there's my ferret, Kodak. Let me get this. Very friendly, nice, and a long cage. Thanks. Like, subscribe, comment.